Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to be diving into the rising world of AI agents, what they actually are, how they work, and how you can use them to automate your tasks, boost your productivity, and get things done smarter. So first of all, we need to understand what is an AI agent exactly. So think of it like a smart assistant, but way more powerful. An AI agent is a system that can make decisions, take actions, and even learn from the experience, all to complete specific goals for you. Unlike any traditional AI tools that just give you the answers, agents act on your behalf. For example, you can have an AI agent that books your meetings, responds to the emails, updates your spreadsheets, or even runs your business workflows automatically. There are certain tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and ChatGPT based plugins are some of the examples of AI agents. You give them a goal like researching the topic of 10 SEO tools and create a summary, and they will run the entire process step by step without you having to prompt them again. So the best part about it is that you don't need to be a coder to use them. Platforms are making it easier than ever to build the agents visually with the drag and drop flows. So if you are ready to go beyond just chatting with AI, actually put it to work, AI agents are where the future is heading. You can start small, explore a use case that fits your workflow, and watch how time you can save. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.